have a major problem with my GT3 RS in the form of we now have damage to the carbon ceramic disc, which I'm sure everybody will be aware is going to be extremely expensive to fix. And it came as no surprise to me when I rang Porsche, and even with all of my favours called in at once and the guys tried to look after me, it was going to cost me £7,500 plus VAT for a single disc. So you're talking in excess of £15,000 plus VAT for a small, what I thought was impact damage. Now actually we're going to go into that a little bit further in the video. It's not impact damage, that is actually a delamination of the surface layer of the disc. I'd been on the outside looking in at a company called Rebrake for a little while, watching what they do, thought it was a really good product, had no real reason to reach out, even though I would like to offer it to my customers. But as with everything else, I always want to test what I'm going to do before offering it to our clients, and I had no real reason to buy one. We have now spoken to Wolfgang over at Rebrake, who has told me exactly what's happened, given me a little bit of training on this, and ultimately sold me a replacement disc that's on exchange. We've got the Rebrake resurfaced original PCCB, which means that we can not have as much downtime on the car. So we're going to be able to strip this off, swap it all over, put the new one back on, and then send this back to Rebrake, and I will get the exchange value back. So I paid an extra €2,000, which basically meant that this disc didn't need to be sent away, repressed whilst the car's stuck on the ramp and then come back. So what we're going to do now is Andy's obviously already got the wheel off, but he's going to start stripping this down. We're going to get them on the bench and compare the two differences, because I have had some training on this product. If I'm happy with the product, which I expect I will be, we're going to offer this to our customers that have damage to their ceramic discs or wear them out. So the new disc is on. Andy has done all the hard work, so I won't take credit for it. But we now want to talk about how much this is going to cost. Now, we're well aware that the original part from Porsche for a replacement, they wanted me to buy two, and the very best deal I could get was £7,500 plus VAT. Obviously I needed a pair, so that was going to be 15 grand plus VAT. So as you can imagine, I didn't want to have to do that. Now, until I've tested this, I can't say for certain that I'm happy with it, which I will be out at Croft very shortly, put it through its paces, which is where it failed. I'm hopeful that everything's fine. In fact, I'll rephrase that to confident, because these guys have got an amazing reputation. If you go and have a look at Rebrake for yourselves, they don't need my validation really, but you know, from my own peace of mind and selling it to my customers, I want to know. So with that in mind, let's talk about money. So this kit basically cost me £2,000 deposit, which is a deposit in exchange so that they can send out the new disc. So if they've got rotors in stock for your model, because they don't just do Porsche, they do Ferrari, Lamborghini, which we can source as well, but they don't always have the rotors on the shelf. Now, Porsche obviously really popular, so if they have the rotor on the shelf, it's £2,000 deposit and then £2,500 plus VAT for a replacement disc. So when you send the old rotor back, you receive your £2,000 exchange deposit back. So in essence, this kit has cost me £4,500 plus VAT. Then when I send the old rotor back, I'm going to get two of that back. So it's effectively cost me £2,500 plus VAT to come out of it with a all singing and all dancing resurfaced rotor. So So both myself and Andy have road tested the car over a couple of weeks now. I've done about 500 miles in the car, and as we can see here, the disc is perfect. The only thing that you can see on the disc is pad deposits, but it's because it's brand new, so we were expecting that. As far as I'm concerned, I'm happy with the performance. The brakes feel really good. We've got no damage to it. I would have expected that if it was going to fail as a manufacturing defect, that would have happened imminently as soon as we started to use the car. So from this point inwards, I'd be happy to offer this to my customers. Obviously, Rebrake are a well-known manufacturer anyway, but it's always nice to have one on my car and test it. So moving forwards, if you want a quote on your damaged or worn out PCCBs or other ceramic brakes, please just reach out to me either on email or telephone. All I really need is some pictures of your existing discs, and then I can send those over to Rebrake, get a quote, and we can work out from there what the plan would be. So reach out on email or telephone. I'm available Monday to Friday. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It does help massively with us being able to do more of this sort of stuff. So appreciate every viewer, and thank you for watching.